Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Databricks SQL dashboards for business insights. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Databricks SQL dashboards for business insights, first, log into your Databricks account. Navigate to the SQL Analytics workspace. On the left sidebar, find the Dashboards tab and click on it. If you haven't created a dashboard yet, select the Create Dashboard button. Give your new dashboard a relevant name that reflects its purpose. Once the dashboard is created, you will enter the dashboard editing mode. Here, you can start adding visualizations. To add a visualization, click on the Add Visualization button. Choose the appropriate data source for your visualization. Using the SQL editor, write the query for the data you want to visualize. Run the query to ensure it returns the correct results. Once you're satisfied with the results, select the visualization type you wish to use. Customize your visualization settings according to your preferences. After finishing the configuration, click on the Add button to include it in your dashboard. Repeat the process to add more visualizations as needed. To arrange the layout, simply drag and drop the visualizations within the dashboard. You can resize each visualization by dragging the corners to fit your layout needs. Once you are happy with the layout, click on the Save button to store your dashboard. To share your dashboard with team members, click on the Share option. Adjust the sharing settings to define who can view or edit the dashboard. Now that your dashboard is activated, you can start gaining valuable business insights. Whenever you need to update the visuals, return to the editing mode. You can also set up scheduled refreshes for real-time data updates by navigating to the settings. With these steps completed, you can effectively utilize Databricks SQL dashboards for informed decision-making. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.